Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to increase your monthly listing limit on eBay. Usually when you start your eBay selling account, private selling account, you got 10 listing limit and total amount of £500 you can list per month. Let's start. Now go to your seller hub from my eBay and from selling, and you can scroll down to the bottom and you can see monthly limit. Here you can request to list more. And next step is
please subscribe our YouTube channel, #SmartBrains, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you very much.
You need to confirm your address, business address or home address, and they will send you a letter. From there you will get a number, and when you receive a letter you have to put that number to confirm it. So we'll go through step by step and I'll show you my letter as well. In 2-3 days we'll come back. Before I go, I want to share with you a special tip. To go to Seller Hub, you can go directly from the address bar from ebay.co.uk/. You can just write down SH and enter. You will directly go to your Seller Hub if you are already signed in. Guys, this is a letter from eBay I received today, and with the code and the instruction what to do next. Let's go toward the laptop screen and see what to do next. Guys, let's go to your Seller Hub and scroll down to the bottom and click the same blue color icon, request to increase the limit. And if you go in there, it might ask you to enter your password again. Enter your password and it will take you to the new page. Here you can see finish confirming. So there's in a blue color it's written enter your code. So click here and enter your 4-digit code. It's a one-time code. When you enter it, then after that it's no use of anybody, so I don't mind to hide it. Submit it and you can see the messages. We will send you email to confirm within 10 minutes, but it usually take 1 or 2 minutes. If we go to our Seller Hub, you will see that my limit has already been increased. 995 more item I can list, and up to 15,000 I can list. See, I also received the email as well, where you can see it's been accepted and I can list 1,000 items per month, up to 15,000 Great Britain pound per month. That's how we do it, and it's only on a personal account, not a business account. So it's a great opportunity to make some money. If you learned something today, please follow me and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.